What's good with y'all, man? I'm back with some bangers, man. I'm back with some bangers for y'all, man. I'm here with FL on the projector, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to sell beats. How to sell beats last. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all how to make beats pretty soon. Pretty soon I'm gonna show y'all how to make beats. But how to sell beats, come on. We here for it. We here for it. I know y'all see my last video, how to make $1,000 from DistroKid. That's after y'all make y'all beats. That's after y'all hit the studio session. But I'm here to drop the basics for y'all. How to sell beats, you know. How to sell beats. That's pretty. It's kind of easy. It's kind of easy. It's kind of easy. I'm gonna give you my first formula. You go to a media page. You go to eat like Say Cheese. All the rappers that they be posting, go to their profile, message them. Hey, I got some beats, whatever. You know, this and that, this and that. So you wanna target the people who do the media. You wanna hit up the photographers, you know, the videographers, the ones who be shooting people's videos. You like the video, you like the song, whatever. You gotta work with local artists, hey, whatever, however. You just gotta make it happen, you know. If you like that song, DM them, tell them what you about. And if you know, everything's 100%, the energy, you know, match and everything, you know, it might happen. That's another way. If you wanna sell beats online, there's an email way, you know. You get people's email, or if you have a website, you know, you can have people submitting their email to get updates when you post on your website whenever some new beats is coming, you know. Yeah, once you have people's emails, it's no way that they can take you down unless they block you. But who's blocking every single person on the email, man? So as long as you got an email list, you can always have some money in your pockets. Another way is if you have Beatstars or any other online beat store, all you have to do is just make an account. It's free to make an account on Beatstars, but it's limited access. So if you want to do it yourself, you can make your own contracts. You can just, you know, chat GBT, whatever the limit is, or if you're just selling exclusives off the bat, put your price on it, you know, stand firm on it. When the beat is sold, the beat is sold, the beat's gone. Just make some more. Everybody come in, look, think of your beats as muffins. Everybody wants some muffins. Everybody wants some muffins. Even the coffee shop down the street from your place, they need background music when they promoting their things, whatever. So you gotta make sure, yeah, you tapping in with everybody, man. You gotta make sure you always pushing your stuff, man. It's a dude around town, man. Everybody known for pushing CDs, man. He been selling CDs on the bus for about like 40 years. All he has to do is just be the middleman. You can get paid just by being the middleman. Also, too, I could break that down in another video. You don't even have to do nothing. You can just be the salesman. And I had somebody on my team like that before, you know. You always need somebody on your team like that who could just be the salesman, you know, make sales for you, make it happen. But you gotta be your own salesman at times, you know. Gotta make it happen when you don't have that middleman to, you know, make the sales for you. You can make the muffins and you gotta sell the muffins at the same time, but just know, you gotta go hard whatever you do, man. I'm gone. Drop in the comment section what y'all want me to make a video about next, man. I'm gone.